In this video, I'll show you how to create a properly formatted Works Cited page in MLA format using Microsoft Word. Now type Works Cited or References at the top of the page. Center the title using the Center Alignment option in the Home tab. Press Enter once, then change the alignment back to the left. If you already have an MLA citation copied from a library database, paste it below using Ctrl+V. You'll notice it's not formatted correctly yet. Highlight the title and the citation. Change the font to Times New Roman and set the font size to 12. Next, highlight the citation only. Go to the Paragraph section in the Home tab and click the small diagonal arrow. Set both before and after spacing to 0, then change the line spacing to double and change the indentation to hanging using the special drop-down menu. Next, click OK. Your citation is now formatted correctly in MLA style. If you have multiple citations, repeat the same formatting steps for each one. Make sure all citations are listed in alphabetical order by the first word of each citation. To reorder them, simply cut and paste the citations into the correct position. If there's extra space between citations, remove it using backspace. Also, if any citations include hyperlinks, right-click the link and select Remove Link. That's it. You now have a properly formatted Works Cited page in MLA format using Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.